On the Bernina 880 Plus, we have the option to sew without our foot control when we are sewing, and this is the button we'll be pushing when we embroider. So it is green, that means it's ready to go, but a quick little note is what is right above it. So first off, I don't want it to go racing off, so I'm going to slide the speed control down to the slowest side. Also, when you go to push it, nothing happens. Well, actually it does. The foot does lift up a little bit, but as soon as you actually want it to activate, do note that you need to touch and hold this for just a hair longer until it starts to sew. We're just on a straight stitch. That does mean that we can go ahead and sew, like I said, without a foot control, and you'll use that same button to stop the machine from sewing. As you get started, you might want to creep that up, go a little faster if you would like. I love that I could just get to the end if I want to turn a corner, touch that green button. It will lift up. That little extra click you heard are actually the feed dogs lowering. How nice is that? And then we can go ahead and push the button, hold it until it starts. Little fast there because we raised it. But if you are taking time to stitch out all your decorative stitches when making your Bernina stitch book, we have links below this YouTube video so you can try it out. I will tell you, you're going to hear me talk about using your start-stop button for stitching out your decorative stitches because it's going to be a lot of sewing. There's no reason you need to hold your foot on your foot control for that whole entire time. So it actually becomes very enjoyable when you are using the start-stop button. And just note that you have to hold it just a hair longer to get it started for sewing and with embroidery.